The Tibetan gazelle, also known as goa, is a mammal of the even-toed ungulate family. It has a small body, measuring about 0.81 meter in length, a shoulder height of about 50-65 centimeters, and a weight of around 11-16 kilograms. It is agile, with slender limbs, narrow hooves, a short and wide snout covered in fur, small narrow teeth, a high forehead, large round eyes with prominent eye sockets, and a straight, slightly pointed nose bone at the back, with erect pointed ears and a short tail. The male has a pair of small, slightly flattened horns reaching a length of 30 centimeters, with ridges running around them, while the female has no horns. The thick, straight, coarse fur is grayish-white on the head, lower limbs and underside, and drab or grayish-brown on the snout, neck, back, sides, and outer legs, with the inner legs, undertail, and sides of the tail being white, and the top of the tail black, with a heart-shaped white patch on the buttocks. When the sunlight reflects off this white patch, it can effectively convey information and confuse predators. They are social animals, active during the day, and form larger groups in winter and spring, with groups of several tens or even hundreds of individuals, and smaller groups of a few to a dozen individuals in summer and autumn, with occasional solitary individuals. Female groups generally live separately from male groups. They are alert, with acute hearing and vision, able to detect predators several kilometers away. They are good runners and can quickly escape danger, reaching speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour in seconds, and sustaining it for 2-3 hours. They are herbivorous ruminants, mainly feeding on grasses from the sedge and grass families, with their diet varying significantly with the seasons, and often visiting lakes and streams for water. Wolves and snow leopards are their main predators, and when chased, they can quickly zigzag and jump to escape. They have a strong adaptability and are typical animals of high-altitude desert habitats, living in high mountain meadows and subalpine and alpine desert areas at altitudes of 300 to 5,750 meters. They prefer areas with abundant herbaceous plant growth and water sources. They are a unique species of the Qinghai Tibet Plateau, mainly found in China and India. Tibetan gazelles are monogamous and breed from late winter to early spring, in December-January. Females begin to mix with males, and there is often competition and fighting among males for breeding. After the mating period, the males leave the female group to form male-only groups. They give birth to 1-2 young with a gestation period of about 6 months, and the newborns have a white patch on the forehead that fades as they grow. They can follow their mother and run within 2-3 days of birth, and the mother is responsible for guarding and raising the young for about 3 years until they reach sexual maturity. They have a lifespan of about 5 years. Due to overgrazing, habitat destruction, predation, illegal hunting, climate change, diseases, and human activity, the habitat and population of Tibetan gazelles are continuously decreasing. According to statistics, there are about 20,000 to 50,000 Tibetan gazelles worldwide, and the International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed them as a near-threatened species.